In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to erase only the part you want from an image in Adobe Illustrator. Open your image in Illustrator. Click Embed. Go to the menu bar. Click the window. Click Transparency. Click Make Mask. Uncheck the clip. Select the paint brush. To increase the brush size, just hold the closing square bracket. Click on Fill Color. Select the black color. Click on White Space. Now brush on the part of the image that you want to erase. Click on the image from the transparency. As you can see, the car portion has been erased. Thanks for watching the video.